Ready to make your backyard the highlight of the summer? These new Amazon backyard gadgets are designed to bring more fun, comfort, and convenience to your outdoor space. From clever outdoor tools to relaxing backyard upgrades, they'll help you create the perfect setup for warm days and long nights. All product links are in the description below. Cool evenings deserve a warm centerpiece. This linear gas fire pit table brings sleek style and steady flames to your patio in one smart design. The long stainless steel burner creates a beautiful ribbon of fire, while the glass top keeps it looking modern and polished. You can choose manual or electronic ignition for easy startup. When the flames are off, just place the cover on top and use it as a table. Take the guesswork out of watering with this smart irrigation controller. It automatically skips watering for rain, wind, or freezing temperatures, keeping your yard healthy and water efficient. Adaptive schedules adjust for spring showers or summer heat, while you can also create your own custom routine. Control everything from anywhere using the free app, from running zones to tracking water usage. Easy to install in 30 minutes, it works with most existing sprinkler systems. Add a touch of magic to your garden or patio with these solar lanterns. Their vintage metal design casts a warm, inviting glow, creating a romantic and elegant atmosphere. With two lighting modes, soft amber for cozy evenings and bright white for lively gatherings, you can set the perfect mood anytime. Fully solar-powered and waterproof, they shine all night without fuss. Ready to use right out of the box, they make charming decor or thoughtful gifts for anyone who loves the outdoors. Trash cans don't have to ruin your curb appeal. This hideaway storage shed neatly conceals your bins while keeping your yard looking clean and modern. Each lid opens separately with smooth hydraulic arms, so you can toss trash without lifting heavy covers. The double wall resin build resists weather, fading, peeling, and rust. You get the charm of a wood look without the maintenance headaches. Light up your stairs and garden with these solar step lights. Each one casts a bright, warm glow, making every step safe and visible while adding a stylish touch to your outdoor space. Solar-powered with no wiring, they charge in the sun and shine all night. Waterproof and weather-resistant, they handle rain, snow, or frost without a problem. Easy to install with tape or screws, they're perfect for patios, decks, or pathways. You'll enjoy safety and ambiance at the same time. Never lose power when you need it most. This portable power station packs a massive energy capacity that can handle everything from phones to full-sized appliances. You can recharge it fast using solar panels or a standard wall outlet, keeping it ready for any situation. The companion app lets you track usage and control settings in real time. Safe, quiet, and easy to carry, it's your all-in-one backup for home, travel, or the great outdoors. Your garden just found its glow-up. This raised metal planter gives you room to grow flowers, veggies, and climbing vines all in one smart setup. The built-in trellis lets plants grow upward, saving space and adding natural privacy. Drainage holes prevent soggy soil, so your plants stay happy and healthy. With smooth rolling wheels and rust-resistant metal, you can move it around and garden your way. Transform your backyard into a luxurious retreat with the Louvered Pergola. Its smart louvers rotate to give you complete control over sunlight, shade, and rain runoff, so your outdoor space works exactly how you want. Built with reinforced beams and precision-engineered connections, it's strong, weather-resistant, and visually seamless. Hidden wiring channels and optional integrated lights keep it looking sleek day or night. You get a custom-built feel without the hassle, just effortless outdoor elegance. Water that moves like a living sculpture. This Vortex water feature creates a swirling wave that looks almost hypnotic from every angle. The large circular design makes it an instant focal point in your garden or even indoors. A built-in fine filter keeps the water crystal clear, so the Vortex always looks sharp and clean. It's self-contained, energy efficient, and designed for easy installation with minimal maintenance. Comfort curves its way into your living room with this Boomerang Sofa. Its unique arch design naturally draws everyone in, creating a cozy corner that feels inviting and stylish. Soft sculptural lines make it perfect for lounging, reading, or catching up with friends. You'll love sinking into its gentle embrace after a long day. It's more than a sofa. It's a centerpiece for relaxation and togetherness. Add elegance and function to your outdoor space with these 4-panel sheer curtains. Made from durable, waterproof linen blend fabric, they protect against light rain while letting soft sunlight filter through. Semi-sheer panels provide privacy without blocking the view, creating a cozy, airy atmosphere on patios, porches, or gazebos. Stainless steel grommets make installation simple on most rods. Stylish and practical, they're perfect for relaxing outdoors in comfort and style. Turn any room into a serene retreat with this indoor daybed set. The large suspended bed hangs from a sleek, powder-coated steel stand, giving you a cozy space to relax, read, or nap. Soft, durable canvas and macrame accents make it both stylish and comfortable, while the attachable sheer net adds a calming, airy feel. It holds up to 550 pounds and assembles in just 10 minutes. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for creating a peaceful sanctuary anywhere in your home. Your backyard just became everyone's favorite hangout spot. This modular outdoor sofa set seats up to 6 and lets you arrange it your way, from a classic setup to a relaxed lounge corner. The teak wood adds natural beauty, while the aluminum frame stands strong against the weather. Cushions are water and UV resistant with removable covers for easy cleaning. It even includes a protective cover to keep everything looking fresh year-round. Grow your garden with ease using this elevated garden bed. At 32 inches tall, it saves your back by reducing bending, while 12-inch planting depth gives your plants plenty of room to thrive. Assembly is simple. Just connect the pieces and tighten the fasteners with rubber edge sides for safety. It's part of a complete gardening system designed to make planting, watering, and composting easier. Perfect for anyone who wants a healthier garden without the strain. Turn your patio into the ultimate gathering spot with this transformer table. It expands effortlessly, going from an intimate dinner for 2 to a feast for 12 with included panels. Built tough for outdoor life, it resists rust, corrosion, and weather, so you can enjoy it year after year. Smooth, stylish finishes in dark walnut or light oak keep it looking modern and clean. You'll love how easy it is to wipe down and ready for your next party. Step up your outdoor space with this rhombic printed, double-sided rug. Flip it around for 2 stylish looks and get twice the use out of 1 rug. Made from eco-friendly, durable polypropylene, it's soft underfoot, but tough enough to resist dirt, wear, and weather. UV-resistant coating keeps the colors from fading, while spills wipe clean in seconds. Portable and lightweight, it's perfect for patios, picnics, or camping adventures. Relax like royalty with this inflatable sofa pool float. Its roomy design lets you lounge in the water comfortably, perfect for parties, family fun, or sunny day chilling. Inflates in minutes and deflates for easy storage, making it ideal for any pool or lake. Durable and soft, it keeps you floating in comfort while soaking up the sun. Bring instant summer vibes wherever you set it up. Ever wished you could float without leaving your backyard? This floating chaise lounge gives you that weightless, cloud-like feeling while you relax outdoors. The curved steel stand holds you securely, while the thick cushion and headrest keep you comfortable for hours. A removable canopy adds shade when the sun gets intense. Set it on your patio, deck, or by the fire pit, and you've got your new favorite escape. Turn your backyard into the ultimate hangout with this versatile fire pit table. It's a bonfire, barbecue, and table all in one, perfect for roasting marshmallows, grilling food, or enjoying a meal with 6 to 8 friends. 2 height-adjustable, 360 swivel grills make cooking easy, while the geometric cutout design creates fun firelight shadows. Built to last, it holds up to 20 pounds of wood, stays stable on uneven ground, and includes a screen mesh and fire poker for safety. Quick to assemble in about 20 minutes, it's ready to bring warmth and fun to any garden, patio, or yard. Enjoy the glow of a real fire without the smoke or smell. This portable smokeless fire pit uses a smart airflow system that burns wood completely for a clean, efficient flame. Built from premium stainless steel with a ceramic heat coating, it's tough enough for years of outdoor adventures. Lightweight and easy to carry, it sets up in seconds. Perfect for camping, beach nights, or cozy backyard gatherings under the stars. Upgrade your poolside or garden routine with this solar-heated outdoor shower. Standing tall with a 7-foot frame, it offers a 360 degrees rainfall shower, a handheld option, and a convenient foot faucet, all with hot and cold water control. Its solar-powered tank heats water naturally, while the sturdy brass and PVC construction ensures durability. Quick to assemble, it's a sleek, practical addition for rinsing off before or after a swim. Elevate your outdoor or indoor lounge with the Moon Daybed from Vondom. Its unique circular design sits on a rotating base, letting you spin gently for the perfect view or sunlight angle. LED backlighting adds a soft ambient glow, while breathable woven materials keep it comfortable and stylish. The innovative Sun Vision fabric option gives a soft textile feel that's durable for outdoor use. Perfect for relaxing, chilling out, or making a statement, it turns any space into a luxurious retreat. Birdwatching just got a serious upgrade. This smart solar bird feeder doesn't just hold seed, it captures stunning close-ups with a built-in camera. You get sharp photos and crisp video, plus slow-motion clips of birds mid-flight. The AI-powered app identifies species for you and sends alerts when visitors arrive. It's weatherproof, easy to mount, and even works with voice control, so you can enjoy nature right from your phone. Turn your backyard into the ultimate gathering spot with a custom stone fire pit from System Pavers. Perfect for cozy nights roasting marshmallows, entertaining friends, or relaxing under the stars. These fire pits seamlessly integrate with patios, turf, or outdoor kitchens. Designed to suit your style, size, and layout, they combine beauty, durability, and functionality. Book a free design consultation to create your ideal outdoor focal point today. Who says you need a full renovation to enjoy a pool? This stock tank pool lets you create your own backyard oasis without the stress. Setup takes about 30 minutes, and everything you need is included, from the pump and filter to chlorine and a skimmer. It's low maintenance, easy to manage, and even offers heater or chiller options. Simple, stylish, and ready when you are. Upgrade your outdoor space with this patio set. Crafted from acacia wood, it blends natural beauty with durable design. 2 lounge chairs, a sofa, a coffee table, and a side table give you plenty of room to relax or entertain. Cushions are UV and water resistant, keeping comfort high and maintenance low. Slatted tabletops and non-marking feet make it perfect for patios, poolside decks, or balconies, You'll enjoy it season after season. Turn your patio into a cozy dining spot with this 5-piece outdoor set. 4 swivel chairs with thick cushions make sitting comfortable for hours, while the sturdy square table gives everyone plenty of space. A built-in umbrella hole lets you add shade on sunny days. Durable metal frames and weather-resistant finishes ensure it lasts season after season. Perfect for backyard meals, poolside drinks, or relaxing evenings with friends. You'll enjoy every moment outdoors. Bring nature indoors with a custom green wall. These vertical gardens turn any blank wall into a living work of art, full of color, texture, and life. Skilled designers carefully select plants to create a sustainable and visually stunning display that thrives indoors. Perfect for homes, offices, or commercial spaces, it's an instant focal point that impresses and refreshes. You'll love the natural vibe it adds to every room. Your backyard just got a front row seat to nature. This smart bird feeder comes with a built-in camera that recognizes over 10,000 bird species and sends instant photo alerts to your phone. Its 2K lens and wide-angle view capture stunning detail day or night, powered continuously by the solar battery. The large seed container means fewer refills, and the waterproof build keeps it running year-round. A perfect pick for bird lovers, families, and anyone who enjoys the outdoors. Bring the sound of a luxury resort right into your space. This granite-look water wall creates a soothing, natural flow that instantly calms the atmosphere around you. Soft lights glow from the sides and base, turning it into a stunning focal point at night. Separate switches let you control the water and lighting exactly how you like. It's bold, elegant, and made to transform both indoor and outdoor areas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.